y'all, and welcome back to Growing with Ray. In today's video, you guys, we had a strong windstorm, and this is what has happened to my corn. We're gonna harvest. All right, let's go. So I must say I am really sad to see this because not all the corn is ready, y'all. This is not the best harvest I could have gotten. Some of the heads are actually don't feel ready at all. But my poor corn is not going to make it any longer with this. So we're going to see if there's anything we can salvage. Even the small ones. Even the small ones. Because the husks are drying out or are dried out now. For the stalks itself, I will be keeping them for my sister, because she does a Halloween party. So I'm going to keep these for her. I'm going to try to keep them intact and not do what I just did with this one. But as I pull the husk off of these, I'm going to try to pull these out the ground. I can say there's some type of disease or something trying to get on these. It could be just the cold itself. Exactly sure why they're leaning like this other than that windstorm. But I went and got my pruners because I'm going to cut them at the base. I'm getting corn. I would love for her to have these stalks. Loofahs are starting to dry out. I'm so excited. There's a lot of ants on it though down there. But they're starting to dry out finally. So I can't wait because then we can harvest it. Super duper excited. Soon we're also going to harvest sweet potatoes. So we're going to check them today. Before I go in, we're going to check one section to see if there's actual sweet potatoes already forming, because that's going to let me know if I need to harvest them. So we'll do that at the end. Some of these are so small. If you've grown corn just absolutely perfectly, did I start it too late? Because I was determined on trying to get some. Because if you haven't been here all year, y'all, this one has 4 ears that it tried to produce. 4. That is crazy. But if you all were here at the beginning of the season, then you know that my first 2 attempts at, my first attempt at corn this year did not work. So we put this in. It was fairly late, but it was a 60-day corn, so I said let's give it a try. And once this corn is gone, then I can empty out this bed to get ready for fall stuff to come in, because ideally fall stuff should kind of sort of like be in now. But baby, I told y'all, I'm not being stressed out this year about the garden. Oh, I'm so sad. There is worms in here, y'all. Look. Ah. I thought I missed it. Now I need to check all of them. That could be the reason why my pollination is so sucky. I got the caterpillar. The corn little caterpillar's in here, y'all. Man. Oh, Oh, I'm so sad. Sad, but we're not broken. Okay.
And what these caterpillars do is they wiggle down through the opening of the corn when it's getting pollinated and just burrow themselves inside and just eat your corn as it grows and just eat. That's what they do. See, look, this one didn't get it though, but it didn't get the best pollination either. But baby, a win's a win, a win, a win. Okay? Yes, sir.
I ain't mad at it at all. But y'all, this is my humble harvest. It looks pretty good if I do say so myself. This is my first time growing sweet potatoes in containers like this. We're gonna see if we happen to get anything. These are not on drip. They were not taken care of like they could have. We may get something, we may not. I'm just using it to gauge how much longer the sweet potatoes may need, because we're running up on time, darling, to where it's time to start picking them and pulling them. And maybe these sweet potatoes will be ready. These are the purple ones that I put in this year, y'all. I think they look good. What y'all think? Y'all think they look good too? I think they look pretty well, good. I'm even more excited to see that the inside is purple too. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, I did garden these. Because just pulling up the vine, there's one. I'm not sure what happens with people not getting success with these in containers, y'all. I don't know. I don't feel like I do anything special. I just try to remember to water them whenever I remember. However, the ones that's on the drip, those are about to get cut off of their water because I don't want them soaking wet when I'm ready to harvest them. So, how I said, oh, I'll probably harvest those in a week or two. The water's gonna be off for 2 weeks. And there's some in here, y'all. There's one. Okay. Ain't no more throwing sweet potatoes. Ain't no more throwing sweet potatoes, because I done broke every single one I done threw. These all would have been sweet potatoes. And while I'm throwing the slips out for my other plants, I'm going to let them slips grow over the winter time so that I don't have to sit here. Yeah, they're just now getting size to them, so I'm going to definitely give them another week or two. We're probably at 100 days, and I need to get 120 out of them. So for those slips, I'm going to cut some of them off. Here's a decent boy. All right, y'all, let's go run around the garden to see if there's anything else we can find, because I haven't done a harvest for y'all in so long. Classes are finished, or at least the extensive classes I was taking are finished for now. So let's see what else from the spring and summer garden we can continue to harvest and get out of the garden to make room for the fall garden. So this windstorm was very much nice, not friendly. Look at my zinnias all over the floor. This comfrey though, oh baby, it's flourishing. Flourishing. You all didn't see me in the back, but my biggest sadness is the tomatoes. Only my cherries are doing well. Still producing. My celery is looking about ready. But it's grocery store enough, and I'm super proud of it. I'm always proud to see the things that God blesses me to be able to grow for ourselves. And then this is the garlic bed. They're starting to sprout. I need to put soil or straw over top of it. Don't mind my dog back there playing with something, hyping himself up. We're not even gonna worry about it. I am really excited for this hibiscus roselle. I really hope it makes it. They haven't flowered yet, so that's what we're waiting on. Hopefully it gets to flowering soon. Flowers still surviving. Echinacea is back up, springing again. Even my grapes are already starting to die back. Carnations still have yet to come back. Oh, and I was just complaining about it not flowering. And this is the first one to be flowering, y'all. Oh, goodness. Oh, that is so beautiful. The strawberries have grown out so much over here. I'm so excited to see what this whole bed will look like. My blueberries look good, except for this one in the back. But all the rest look amazing. The sweet potato bed. To turn off these waters. Stuff is growing in there. I can tell from the way the soil is raised. That spider has freaked me out, y'all. This hibiscus roselle, I don't know if it's really gonna make it. It's doing against the lean something, whatever. I don't know. We'll see. Coming here, I have to be careful as well. I want to make sure I'm not running into any type of weird animals or anything like that. Do y'all see how much bulging this is right here in this soil, y'all? Can y'all tell the bulging difference right there? It is not flat whatsoever. So here's some things we got out of the garden. I want to thank you for spending time with me. I missed you guys. All right, God bless. Until next time. Bye.